Apple has added a brand new feature to Safari, Distraction Control, which allows you to hide elements of websites you don't want to see to make you more immersed in your reading and working. How to use this powerful feature? In Safari, click on the button in the bottom left corner and select Hide Distraction Items. Then select the area of any web page that you want to hide and click on Hide. Now you will not see the element on that page anymore. If you want to restore it, that's easy too. Just click the button in the bottom left corner and select Show Hidden Items. That's all about this feature, and I hope to see you in the next time.